We're here at the Ridge Hospital to make a presentation. The Greater Accra Regional Hospital, as it is, has become virtually the main facility that is helping in this fight against COVID. We've been following what's been going on, a shortage of protective equipment and, the basic things that will help the frontline medical staff in the fight against the virus. And so we got some donations of protective wear, and so we thought that we'll come and give it to you so that you can use it to protect your staff. Ghana appreciates the work you're doing, and we need to support you. You are the frontline defense of the population against the disease, and we must all support you to be able to protect us. And so we're presenting 100 PPEs, 100 gowns, 100 masks, 100 caps, 100 boots, sanitizers, and all. And so we hope that this little donation will help. We're also presenting you some water. You must drink a lot of water at this time to help boost our immune systems. And so we're presenting you with some water. And we hope that this little donation will help to fight the virus and keep Ghana safe. So on behalf of the COVID team, NDC, I want to express our appreciation to you, the appreciation of all Ghanaians to you for the work that you're doing. And we hope that God will protect and preserve you so that even as you fight to protect us, you yourselves will be safe and your families will be safe. Thank you very much.
To express our sincere gratitude for this donation. And I can see the numbers, very huge numbers. And these really are the things that we have been lacking in, particularly the PPEs, the surgical face masks, the coveralls, and the items that are really needed. And the other time I was describing that when the staff want to go and attend to a patient, it takes up to about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to complete the gowning. And the items that are used, after one usage, you have to discard all of them and come in for a fresh one. And it is for this reason that the demand is so high, even though we are being supported by government and also the hospital resources. It is never enough. And it's for this reason that we are so grateful that these huge quantities have been delivered to us. We will, like Oliver Twist, we want to appeal through the video to the general public and anybody well-meaning Ghanaian who want to support the Greater Accra Regional Hospital and also other institutions that are in this fight to come forward and help. Because as we said earlier on, also, it's the fight that we fight together, win together, or lose together. On that note, I want to thank you all once again, Your Excellency, for coming over to our premises here to do this donation. Thank you so much.
All right.